let's draw this aluminium T-slot here. Okay, I could have made it longer. Let's see how long it can go if I make it like that. So it can go this long, like 400 millimeters. Let's not waste time. So let's start here, metric, standard millimeter, and then let's create. I'm going to start with a rectangle. So there's my drawing plane. Then we start this way. Okay. And then here is the first circle. So this one here need to be 9.8. Okay, 9.8. And this one need to be 60. So 60. All right. And this need to be equal to that one. And then from there to there, that need to be 30. The same applies here. So 30. Okay, great. So once we have that one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for an octagon. I'm gonna come here. An octagon has 8 corners, so 8. Then we're going to draw it here. There we go. So I'm gonna make sure that that side is parallel to this one. Okay. Once that one is done, I'm gonna give dimensions. So from here to there, that one need to be 31. Enter. And I want to make sure that from there to there, that one need to be 0. So 0. Enter. And then from here to there, that one need to be 19.8. Great. Also, I'm going to go with another rectangle. So this one here. So there you go. This rectangle will be here. So actually it should be square. So this one they need to be comma. Okay. That one need to be 7. Okay. And now from there to here, it needs to be 10.6. Enter, which is basically from there to there it need to be 3.6. Okay, so 3.6 there. Okay, which is the same there. All right, once we have that one, we're gonna go for another rectangle. So we're gonna go for this one. Let me put it here. It mustn't have any restriction. I hope it doesn't have. Let me start it. So there you go. So no restriction there, and another one there. So this one here need to be from there to there. That's one need to be cancel. It has some restrictions, so let's remove the restrictions. That's what I don't want. So this one from there to there need to be 3.6. Okay, so 3.6. Enter. And from here to there, that one need to be 6. So 6. All right. And again, we're gonna have a rectangle here. So this one here can have the same restriction as that one. There you go. So meaning from here to there, that's one need to be 6 as well. So 6. Okay. And you're gonna have another one. So another one, no restriction as well. So there to there, and again there. Yeah, to there. So this one here, from there to there, need to be 6. Okay, 6. and from there to there need to be 6 as well. So 6, enter, and this one needs to be from there, from there to there need to be 6 as well, enter. So once that one is done, okay, once this one is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here, the circular. So I'm going to multiply these drawings everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select that one. So I'm more concerned about this lower part. So this one, this one, that one, this one, that one, that one, that one. So you take this one, that one, that one, and this one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, plus this one, and this one, that one, that one, and that one. So I'm gonna multiply it around here. I can even take the whole thing, okay, just to avoid confusion. So I'm gonna multiply it around here, around the axis. Which one? No, let's just come here, this axis. Not 6 times, but 4 times. So 4 times, as you can see. So I have that one, this one, that one. You can see, did I select everything? There it's empty. It's void there, so which means there's something I did not select, which is there. Okay. Let's select that one. Okay. Does it come? Now again, around there. There you go. So it's everywhere. 4 times. I say okay. So now we have the figures everywhere, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here on 3D model. Okay. Then I'm gonna say extrude. So I'm going to extrude this part, as you can see, that part, and again I'm going to extrude this part, I'm going to extrude this part, I'm going to extrude that part, here again I'm going to extrude this part, and which part again? Okay, so which one? So yeah, that part and that part, here this part, that part, right? So here I'm going to switch this part and that part, that part, that part. I'm going to switch this one and that one. Again, this one and that one and that one. Here, this one, that one and that one. There, this one, that one and that one. Okay. So now we have the whole thing extruded. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a dimension. So it's a whole aluminum T-slot. Okay, so I'm gonna give it let's say 350 millimeters. So this is how it's gonna go. It goes like that. Okay, then if I want, I can say okay. So now you have your aluminum T-slot there. So what you can do is, if you want to kill this corner there, so you can actually come there and create a chamfer. Let's say 2 is fine. I can do the same here. Let's come there. Sorry for that, it's too long. There, same thing. Then I come here. Okay, there, same thing. I turn it around again. Come here. Let's turn it a little bit. Come on. Oh, that's just awesome. Let me do it properly. Okay, so here, same thing. Then I say okay. So now you have your whole figure there. Okay, can you see that? You've done it. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to share. Especially don't forget to like. So if you want, what you can do is you can give it the material. So I can go for aluminum. This one. If I want, I can go for which one? That's one, whichever. Okay. So see you on the next video. Please, there is more to learn on this channel. Bye.